Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford radio. First, gather your tools, including specialized Ford radio removal keys and a plastic trim removal tool to protect your dashboard. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal before beginning any electrical work. This simple step prevents accidental shorts and ensures your safety throughout the process. Once your tools are ready and the battery is disconnected, insert the Ford radio removal keys into the 4 small slots on the radio's face. Push them in firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating the internal clips have engaged. With the keys inserted, gently pull them outwards, which will release the radio from its mounting brackets. This allows the unit to slide forward slightly. With the radio released, carefully pull the unit partially out of the dashboard opening, giving you access to the rear. Now, systematically disconnect all electrical connectors and the antenna cable. Many connectors have small tabs you need to press or slide to release them. Take a moment to observe or even photograph the cable positions. This will make reinstallation much smoother. Remember to avoid using excessive force at any point, as this can damage the radio or surrounding dashboard trim. If you encounter stubborn connectors, double-check for release tabs. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connections are secure. Only reconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal once everything is properly in place and secured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.